Congressman Paulo Duterte ay tama po and we confirm those budget.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Kung may lumabas po dito sa politiko, DPWH confirms 51B allocated to Paulo Duterte's district in last 3 years of Rodi's term. Ito po ba totoo?
May I know the date?
Kayo po ang nakalagay dito na nag-confirm yun. DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral. Kayo po ba to?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so kino-confirm po ninyo.
Again, I have to check, Your Honor, because I am not accurate. I'm not certain about the number on the published news of Politico, Your Honor.
Ayan po, may nakalagay pa po dito na base sa report ng aming programming division, we confirm na yung pong mga amount na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022, based po sa National Expenditure Program ng DPWH at yung pong General Appropriation Act o GAA sa distritong ito ay tama po and we confirm those budget. Ano po masasabi niyo dito?
Again, Your Honor, I no longer recall, so I have to confirm with the records in the office, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And dito po sa 51 billion, based sa record po, at based din dito sa newspaper na, dito po sa online article, 29B was inserted sometime in 2021 budget or GAA. Do you confirm that?
Again, Your Honor, I have no records on hand. I have to confirm with the planning service, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, kaya ako po ito natanong,
Okay.
Yusek.
So, sandali na po, Chairman Joel. I will confront you with the quote in the news report. Kasi kanina po yung sinasabi na hindi nyo maalala. Ipapaalala ko sa inyo. This is the Politico article. DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral confirmed the report circulating on social media in a television interview. Base sa report ng aming programming division, we confirm na yun pong mga amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022. Base po sa National Expenditure Program, NEP, ng DPWH at yun pong General Appropriations Act, GAA, sa distritong ito ay tama po and we confirm those budget. So, naalala niyo na po ba, Undersecretary Cabral?
I guess I clearly remember, Your Honor. I think there was an interview that time.
No, it's just a question of a yes or a no. Do you
Yeah.
remember it or no? Because it's a
Yes, Your
it's an
Honor.
actual quote.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor. Kung ano.
Yes, what?
Yes.
Yes, you remember or yes, you don't remember?
I don't remember
No, I am
exactly.
confronting with you. I am confronting you with the actual quote. So the only question there is, do you remember stating that quote or you do not remember stating that quote?
I remember, Your Honor.
You remember stating that quote. And if you remember stating that quote, do you confirm the information in that quote? That you confirm those amounts
if
na
that's-
nabanggit, excuse me, let me finish, amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022. Base po sa NEP ng DPWH at yun pong GAA sa distritong ito. Therefore, the distrito po of Congressman Paulo Duterte ay tama po and we confirm those budget.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Ms. Manchua, please proceed.